Picky eaters hate beans until they try this recipe. Today we are making bean confit. It's simple, very fast to make, and packed with flavor. I've been searching for the ultimate bean recipe for years, and I pulled ideas from all around the world to come up with this one. I've tested it with kindergartners and they loved it.
Yummy, yummy.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to make beans from scratch and turn them into something completely craveable. In a rush, use canned beans instead. Timestamps below. This Japanese no-soak method might change the way you cook beans, and it takes just 20 minutes on the cooktop. Forget about soaking your beans. Drop the dry beans into boiling water and let it cook for 2 minutes. Place a lid on and let it soak for 1 hour. Drain them and now add fresh water to the pressure cooker. Bring it back to a boil and add the beans. Place a lid on and cook under pressure for 20 minutes. When time is up, turn off the heat and let the pressure cooker depressurize naturally. I learned this technique from my Japanese friend who actually read the instruction manual of her Japanese pressure cooker. Now let's make the bean confit. In an oven-safe bowl, add olive oil, paprika, garlic, salt, and oregano. Stir. Add your beans and stir gently. We want to keep the beans intact. Place in the air fryer at 300 degrees for 30 minutes. And look at that. Crispy on top, creamy underneath, perfect beans every time. For the kids, beans, cucumbers, and avocado. For me, I like to add some lettuce to this. A drizzle of lemon, it wakes everything up, and some chopped parsley. And this is the ultimate vegan meal.